Hi, welcome to this video on how to delete a WordPress website from Hostinger. First, head over the hostinger.com and log into your account using your credential. Once you are logged in, you are in your dashboard. Now go to this website tab. Here you can see all of your hosted website. You can also manage them from here. If you want to delete a website, simply click on this three dot of that website. And I'm going to delete this website. Let's see how look this website right now. So this is our website. This is now broken. So we're going to delete this website. Now click on this three dot of that website you want to delete and click this delete button. Check this box and click delete again. Now your website is being deleted. And now if I refresh my website, you can see it's not accessible anymore. You could delete this subdomain from your domain directory, and also you can delete this website files from your file manager, then it will be completely deleted. So that's how to delete a WordPress website from Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.